SIFT, the 4 moves, evaluating generative AI content. In today's world, where artificial intelligence plays a growing role in the way we access and use information, it's more important than ever to know how to evaluate the content we encounter. That's where the SIFT method comes in. SIFT stands for Stop, Investigate, Find, and Trace. These steps are designed to help you critically assess information from the web and can be applied to AI-generated content. By following these simple guidelines, you can make sure you're using reliable information, avoiding misinformation, and staying informed in an ethical and responsible way. 1. Stop. The first move is the simplest. Stop reminds you of 2 things. First, when you generate content using a generative AI model, take a moment to stop and assess the quality and credibility of the output. Second, ask yourself whether you know the model or source of the information. Is this AI model reputable, and has it been trained on reliable data sources? Consider the reputation of the AI model itself. Is it known for producing accurate and coherent text, or is it prone to generate misleading or nonsensical information? 2. Investigate the source. If the generated content includes specific claims, data, or facts, always fact-check them using external sources. Verify the accuracy of the information generated by the AI model. Use trusted fact-checking websites, reference materials, or subject matter experts to validate the claims made in the generated content. Evaluate the quality and relevance of the generated content. Does it align with your expectations and objectives? If you don't have prior information about the generative AI model used or its training data, take steps to gather more information. Research the model's training data sources, the organization behind it, and any available performance metrics. Determine if the AI model has been fine-tuned for a specific domain or task. Models fine-tuned on reliable datasets for specific applications may be more trustworthy. 3. Find better sources. Generative AI content has its benefits. It is great for brainstorming some ideas, crafting research questions, identifying keywords for searching, creating a possible outline, and more. However, generative AI should not be used as a source for research. Generative AI can make up information and will not always offer its reference or search strategies. So if the generated content offers stats, figures, facts, or analysis, be sure to investigate them as outlined in Step 2. If during your investigation, you determine that claims from generative AI content are correct, be sure to use the verified peer-reviewed research you found to reinforce these facts and claims, rather than the generated AI content claims. Discover a world of verified research and content through your college's library. 4. Trace to the source. It is very important to get the whole picture and understand the context of which the information and/or media was originally created in. When you trace the claim, quote, or media back to the source, you can see it in its original context and get a sense if the version you saw in your generated AI content was accurately presented. Be sure to use your critical thinking and evaluation skills to judge if a piece of information is being misrepresented to support a point. Check out our Evaluating Resources page on the Learning Portal to learn more. When using generative AI tools, it's important to establish the necessary context to effectively evaluate the content they produce. The SIFT method can help you confidently assess AI-generated material, ensuring the information is credible, accurate, and trustworthy. As AI continues to shape how we engage with information, applying these practices allows for more critical and responsible use of AI tools, helping to avoid misinformation while maintaining accuracy. For further guidance on evaluating AI content, visit the Learning Portal or consult your college's library for resources to support these essential research skills.